Hello, this is SoundGuyStu, and today I'm just going to talk through sound design for a very short looping animation that was created by my friend Lauren McCreadie, and you can check her out. I'll pop some links down in the description there. This is an animation that she's done for the Loop de Loop festival this month, and I believe the sound prompt, or the prompt for the animation, was the word mushy. So let's take a quick look. So it's pretty cool. Obviously the ant gets turned into mushrooms, which then becomes an ant again. It's pretty gross, pretty mushy. So let's just see what we've done here. The first thing I did was work out the tempo for the loop. The loop comes in at just under 7 seconds. So I wanted to make this a kind of musical sound loop. So I had to work out the tempo there, which is 139.54 beats per minute. And then I found a nice drum loop that would sync up to that, I found one and then made it sync up to the time there, so it kind of laid back. Then I added a chilled bass sound. That's just with the vacuum plugin that's built into Pro Tools. It's a very simple sound. And then I wanted to make it a little bit more ethereal and interesting with the pad sound effect that I've used here. That's the Analog Lab. And I wanted this to be kind of evolving. I mean, it's simple, it's just 2 chords, but it does have a bit of pitch bend and a bit of volume automation as the ant sinks out the frame and the mushrooms grow into it. So that's the musical side of it, and then obviously we want to add in mushy sounds. What I've used here is sounds from my own Blood and Gore SFX sample pack, which is available on Unity Asset Store and from sonis.com. So if we just have a quick listen to those. So you'll hear from that as well. We've got lots of delay on there and lots of reverb just to make all the sounds quite ethereal and psychedelic, and just to match up with the visual style of the animation. And there's just multiple layers of that with each visual element. So the mushroom breaking out of the ant's head, and then the ant itself dissolving, and then all the other mushrooms coming through. We've also got some creaking as the mushrooms and everything grow and stretch up. And they all just sort of layer up to make it sound more interesting, and like these things are bursting out and stretching up into the world. Just to bring it back to a natural sort of level, I've also included these insect sounds. Which again are synced up to the beat there, so it all sort of comes together. Let me see. So the sounds themselves, the squelching, crunching, and the insect sounds, they all become part of the rhythm of the music. And if we just play it all together. Beautiful. And if you want to check out the final piece, you can head over to Lauren's Vimeo there, where she's got the final animation with all the sparkly glowy parts on it. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.